What is up guys, it is Tool Guy Y here, and today I will be showing you guys how to replace an air filter on a 2017 Toyota Prius V. The tools required for this job is located down in the description below, so please take some time and read it through before starting. Let's get started. Start the job by releasing the hood, which is located down at the driver kick panel. Make your way to the front of the car and feel for the hood release latch. It'll be located in the middle of the car, so when you find it, lift up, then lift up your hood. Grab the hood prop and prop your hood up. Remove the two clips that hold the upper airbox cover down by pushing them sideways. Next, take your Phillips screwdriver or a 10mm socket on a ratchet and loosen the air intake hose clamp. Once that's loosened, grab the bottom part of the airbox cover, pull a little bit to you, then slide to the right, releasing it from the intake hose. Be careful not to bend or break the wire harness going to the MAF sensor or the MAF sensor connector because we are leaving that on. Carefully put the cover on the side so it's out of your way. Remove your old air filter, then grab your new one and drop that sucker in. Grab your airbox cover and slide that back onto the intake tube. Make sure that when you're installing, the two notches, one here and one here, line up. Next, take your airbox cover, push it down, then slide it up and make sure that it slides back into place at the top of the cover. Once it's in place, push down, then make your way to the bottom and re-secure those retaining clips that we removed earlier. Lastly, take your Phillips screwdriver or your 10mm socket and re-tighten down that air intake hose clamp, and then you're done. Congratulations guys, you now know how to change out an air filter on a 2017 Toyota Prius. If you liked or found this video informative, please support me by smashing that like button and subscribing to my channel for more how-to and tool review videos. Also check me out on Instagram at ToolGuyY where I post daily. Thank you guys again for watching and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Shoots!